this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from MySafaricom app. So if you have been receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from MySafaricom app, let me show you how you can stop them for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information page to be able to stop those pop-up notifications. And for that, go ahead and tap on settings and then scroll down until you see the option called apps, and apps is here. So for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, look for this option called manage apps or more apps or all apps, and then tap on it. And then this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From here, go ahead and look for your app. Alternatively, you can search for your app here. And you can see MySafaricom app is here. Now you can see we are on the app information page. If you're getting a challenge to get to this app info page, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. For that, just go back and then go to your app and then long press on it. And here you'll see we have this option called app info. If you tap on it, it will again take you to the same page here. From here, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. As you can see, currently notifications are turned on and we have quite a number of them. To turn them off, you can go ahead and turn each and every notifications here. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and tap show notifications off, and that will go ahead and turn all the other notifications off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications from MySafaricom app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.